we've been making different improvements to the Fairfax County Parkway, and now Popes Head Road will have a bridge over the parkway, so folks won't have to stop at that traffic light anymore. The project includes 3 new roundabouts and multimodal trails for pedestrians and bicyclists.
While the project is physically located in Fairfax County, the project impacts commuters from Loudoun, Prince William, City of Fairfax, and beyond. So when we are funding a project, while congestion reduction is critical, we have other key components that we also look at. And this project checks all the boxes. Once complete, the Popes Head Road Interchange project, coupled with the Fairfax County Parkway widening, will result in the reduction of 12 million hours of delay. That is 12 million hours.
This project is about partnerships. Partnerships on the implementation side between FCDOT and VDOT. Partnerships on the funding side. There's federal funding, state funding, funding from NVTA, and funding from Fairfax County. Without great partnerships like this, these projects don't happen.